Hello and welcome to this December 2021 update for Paginated Reports in a Day. It's with pleasure that I get to introduce to you some new features and capabilities that have been recently added to Power BI Paginated Reports. So there are 5 new capabilities. They include Report Builder Download, the new Data Ribbon tab, streamlined DAX copy-paste, SSO added for on-premises data sources, and the big topic for last, Paginated Report Visual. Power BI Report Builder is now available for download from the Microsoft Store. What's interesting to note is that this is now a 64-bit app, so expect performance improvements when designing and locally rendering paginated reports. You can use the new Data Ribbon tab to quickly create report data sources for popular products, including Power BI datasets and Dataverse. You can also use it to create new datasets. The streamlined DAX copy-paste allows you to paste DAX queries directly into the dataset properties and to the query box. So when you write your DAX query using your favorite tool, simply paste it in. There is now support for single sign-on for both SQL Server and Oracle on-premises data sources. This matters when using the on-premises data gateway in standard mode, or what we refer to sometimes as the enterprise gateway. Why would we do this? Well, it allows per-user row-level permissions to be enforced by the database. And then lastly, the Paginated Report Visual. You can use this visual to embed a paginated report in a Power BI report. And configuration is simple in 3 steps. Step 1, select the paginated report. Step 2, connect to the report. And Step 3 is optional, allowing you to map fields from the Power BI report to the paginated report parameters. There are some format options too. By enabling the toolbar, you can display a menu with export and page navigation functions. And by enabling auto-apply filters, it allows report filters to automatically propagate to the paginated report. Let me show you in demonstration. Here in the Power BI service, I've opened the Sales Analysis report. It's a great example of a Power BI report, providing rich interaction by filtering with slices and cross-filtering between visuals on the report page. But also I can right-click and drill through. And let's take a look at some sales orders for this month of December 2020. Here I see the second page of the Power BI report, providing me a list of the sales orders themselves. Now I'm interested to know more details about one of these, so I right-click and I drill through to more details about the order itself. Now on this page I can see at the left a multi-row card visual that shows me some statistics, but on the right there's a table visual, and it requires me to scroll down to fully see all of the order lines for this order. Well, I think this report can be improved, instead of using a table here, using a paginated report visual. So on the menu, I go ahead and edit. I select that table visual and press the delete key to remove it. In the visualizations pane then, I click the paginated report visual icon. That adds an instance of the paginated report visual. Let me resize it. The configuration is simple. I click Connect to Report. I then select the paginated report in my workspace, and then I click Set Parameters. Now this paginated report has a single parameter. It wants to know the sales order number. So at the right in the Fields pane, I expand the sales order table and I drag the sales order field into the parameters well of the visual. Then I update the mapping to use the sales order field. Lastly, at the bottom right, I click See Report. That returns me to the report page, and now I can see the embedded paginated report inside the visual. Notice across the top of the visual, I have the Export drop-down that allows me to export directly from the Power BI report to the format of my choice, and also there's a page navigation control. In the format options, I could choose to disable that toolbar. Finally, I click Save. I return to Reading View. And let's just test this by drilling through to a different sales order. And now we can see the page embedding the paginated report for this particular sales order. And now for some useful resources. To learn more about the paginated report visual, there's a great article in Docs. And to learn more about the Paginated Reports in a Day course, include the URL here, aka.ms/PRIAD-online-course. The demonstration that I just gave you for embedding a paginated report is in fact a new lab available in the self-study kit. For more details, check out that docs article. Thanks for watching.